It is time right now to become more self-reliant, to grow your own food and make your own medicine, and quite frankly, regain those skills that used to be common knowledge among our ancestors, like your grandparents and your great-grandparents knew how to do this stuff. Hi, my name is Marjory Wildcraft, and I'm the founder of the Grow Network, and we're a movement of people who are healing the earth via homegrown food, and while we're doing that, we're getting healthier and happier and wealthier. Did you know that you can grow about half of your own food in a backyard-sized space? And that it's pretty easy to learn how to treat the 12 most common ailments that come up in a family using natural medicines, herbs, or possibly even those weeds that are growing right by your doorstep and you don't realize what powerful medicine they are. Come join me May 21st through 23rd for the free Grow System Summit, which is an online event where I'll be joined by a bunch of others who are living this lifestyle. And we will show you how to get started and give you inspiration for taking this path. Just fill in your name and your email address. You know what to do. Actually, you're gonna wanna put your best email address in here, the one you actually read, because you don't wanna miss this event. So the Grow System Summit, it's May 21st through 23rd. Come join us and become free.